If you have bald spots, hair thinning, and hair loss, this treatment is very helpful. Watch this video to the end and please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. To begin with, we are going to be needing 2 medium-sized carrots for the recipe. I'm going to be making use of the 2 carrots. They are not big. You can also use 1 carrot. So first I'm going to remove the carrot's outer skin, and after that I'll be grating them into smaller pieces. So carrot is very powerful for our hair in many ways. They help to increase hair thickness. They also help to soften and provide hydration to the hair. So if you struggle with hair dryness, you have flaky scalp, you should consider including carrots to your hair care routine. Carrot helps to accelerate keratin production, and they also contains vitamins which act as powerful antioxidants to help keep your hair shaft stronger by strengthening them from the roots. Carrot also helps to, uh, prevent fungal and bacterial infections on your scalp. They contain antifungal and anti-inflammatory properties, which helps to strengthen the hair and prevent it from falling out while helping to thicken it and make it longer. I'm also going to be adding cloves to the recipe. Now, if you experience excessive hair loss, you have hair thinning, baldness, dandruff, flaky scalp, then you should consider including cloves to your hair care routine because it will help to stop all those problems in a short period of time. I have been using cloves for a long time now, and they are really powerful for stopping excessive hair loss and strengthening the hair strands. If you have weak edges and weak hair strands, clove is very powerful for strengthening them. Cloves contain vitamin K and eugenol, a chemical compound that helps to contribute to hair growth as well as helping to repair and strengthen the roots of the hair, which in turn helps to prevent hair loss. Clove is also amazing for adding shine and color to your hair. So if you have dull hair, you should consider adding it to your hair care routine. The next ingredient I'm going to be adding is fenugreek seeds. I have been using fenugreek seeds for a while now, and my hair is stronger and thick than never before. So if you experience excessive hair loss, your hair is weak, then you should consider including fenugreek seeds to your hair care routine. These seeds are very powerful for strengthening the hair and making it stronger. So, fenugreek seeds contain proteins and nicotinic acid, which helps to strengthen and protect your hair from drying out while helping to prevent it from excessive hair loss and excessive breakage. Now, consider including these seeds to your hair care routine, and your hair will be stronger and thicker than ever before. Now, if you also experience scalp issues like dandruff and flaky scalp, then also fenugreek seeds will help to stop that. Now, I'm going to be adding all the ingredients to the jar, starting off with grated carrots, followed by fenugreek seeds and cloves. I'm going to be adding 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds and 1 tablespoon of cloves. You can use any quantity depending on the amount of treatment you want to make. Now, after adding all the ingredients, I'm going to be using hot water and I'm going to fill in the jar. You can also use cold water, but I prefer using hot water every time I'm infusing my ingredients to help infuse them faster. So I'm going to keep them infused for about 24 hours. Now this is after 24 hours of infusion. The color of treatment is now different and all the ingredients settled at the bottom of the jar, which means that the infusion process took place well. And now I'm going to be straining out the treatment. Hope you guys are enjoying the video up to this point, and if so, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please consider giving this video a like and also subscribe to my channel and join the family, and also turn on the bell notification so you will be notified each time I upload a new video. Now we are going to go ahead and transfer the treatment to an applicator bottle, and I'll be showing you guys how to use on our hair. The first thing I like to do on my hair before any application is to make sure that each single section is unraveled. That way I'm able to, apply the treatment, and each single hair strand will be coated and well hydrated with the treatment. Now, after unraveling the twist, now I'm going to go ahead and apply the treatment from the roots, and I'm supplying the treatment towards the ends in order to make sure that my hair is well saturated. And after that, I use my fingers to finger detangle and to distribute the treatment to each single hair strand. One thing I like to do after applying the treatment to one section, I like to follow up with applying hair growth butter or a leave-in conditioner. Right now, I'm using my hair butter. You can use your favorite leave-in conditioner or hair butter to seal in moisture. Do not ever skip this step because your hair will dry out, because hair growth sprays can be drying, so it is important to always follow up with your favorite hair moisturizer. So after I'm done with each single section, I like to make sure I twist that section. I repeat the same process to all sections of my hair until I complete each one of them. This treatment will help to moisturize, strengthen, and thicken your hair. If you experience excessive hair loss, you have hair dryness, flaky scalp, you have bald spot, and weak hairline or weak edges, this treatment will help to stop all those problems. You should start including it to your hair care routine. The three ingredients I use to make this treatment are very powerful, and they will help to stop all those problems that you have in a short period of time. Use the treatment as a leave-in treatment. Do not rinse it out after applying. Personally, I use hair growth sprays as leave-in treatment. That's why my hair is increasing in volume and length. So even you need to use it as a leave-in treatment if you want your hair to grow healthy, longer, and thicker. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if so, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next.